nirutite wa muri wa KUUGA kanya ka anini ma aminista mamishikene monota CS ni GIUTATI na KATIBA koti yugite IKARO cia mungi cietikanire gukurukia CS 23 ake na koguma mangi 27 mari obici ni GIUTATI na watho riu bwa gwetera ni kuona kethiro 27 mau makebero bici kana ni atia bungwa gugekara ore ateteri makiotomethirite magitani murigo umunene uria thirikari wa ITUA wa koriba misara.
All the issues that we framed in the consolidated petition, we now make the following final orders. A, that the current Office of Chief Administrative Secretary, created by the first and fifth respondents and contained in the Kenya Gazette Special Issue number 12432, dated 12th of October 2022, and which announced the vacancies thereof, is unconstitutional. B, that whereas there was some reasonable public participation on the first complement of 23 Chief Administrative Secretaries, there was no such participation regarding the additional complement of 27 office holders. C, that the entire complement of 50 Chief Administrative Secretaries, which is to say all the second to the 51st interested parties, is unconstitutional. D, for the avoidance of doubt, the notification by the first respondent dated the 16th of March 2023, appointing the second to 51st interested parties to the Office of Chief Administrative Secretary is hereby quashed. E, that the prayer that Section 26, subsection 2 of the Salaries and Remuneration Commission Act and the Salaries and Remuneration Commission, Remuneration and Benefits of State and Public Officers, Regulations 2013, be declared unconstitutional is disallowed. F, a declaration is hereby issued that the first respondent enjoys constitutional immunity from suit and was illegally joined into the proceedings. G, that the petition against the first interested party, controller of budget, is hereby dismissed. The last issue relates to costs. Costs ordinarily follow the event and are at the discretion of the court. We find that the consolidated petition raised constitutional issues in the public interest. The order that commends itself to us is that each party shall bear its own costs. Thank you.